unboxing of a adapter for using my old 1-inch Japanese style eyepieces and 1 1/4 eyepiece focusers. This way I can give a new life, lease of life to my eyepieces. I have some good orthoscopic ones which I want to use. I cannot use it because I don't have the adapter for it. So I bought something adapter from China. Let's open and see what is it. It arrived today. Okay, I'm now removing it. Oh, well packed actually. Okay. Yeah. That's a 1.25 inch to 1 inch adapter. Let's see what is inside. Oh, this is it. Oh, that's a screw. Okay, I have to remove the item from the plastic bag. Oh, look at it. Looks right. Oh, quite chunky and metal. That's metal, not plastic. Well done. It has a dark anodized body also, so no reflection. And what I bought it for, because this has an inner copper ring, which will protect the eyepiece from being scratched. That's gets pressed by this screw. So let me bring my eyepiece and see if it can fit. Okay, this is my 40mm 1-inch eyepiece, Japanese style. I got it from a telescope. 40mm for this kind of 1-inch eyepiece is really rare, so I wanted to use it. I saw it in eBay. They sell this for around 50-60 pounds. So I have this one now. And okay, it goes easily inside. Fits easy. Let me just attach this screw to it and just see how it is. Oh, that's a Tova, Japanese Tova eyepiece. Really good quality. Yeah. Okay, the eyepiece fits really well. And that's a Huygens eyepiece, 40mm. Let me just use my orthoscopic one just to see how it is. Okay, this is my orthoscopic eyepiece, Circle K 6mm eyepiece. That's from a Kova company called Kova. Okay, that's the eyepiece, and now I'm going to put it inside this eyepiece holder. I may buy another one of these if it is alright. That's my 40mm eyepiece. This is my orthoscopic one. I just put it here. Oh, fits easy. Look at it. Looks as if it was always like that. That's really good, impressive. Ooh. Oh, this is the nice thing. I may just buy more of this. It was very cheap from China. And let's see. I will go through it with a telescope. We can watch it after this. Okay, these are my orthoscopic 6mm Japanese style 1-inch eyepiece. And again, another eyepiece, which is the 40mm Tova. Again, Japanese style, and all of them are Japanese also. And this is the eyepiece adapter from the rising star of the country, which is China. Very sturdy, metallic, with a ring which actually will not damage the eyepiece. So I will push this eyepiece into this, and I use it in this Japanese beautiful Chinese telescope, which is a Skywatcher Heritage 4.5-inch telescope. It has one of the brightest images I've seen in any telescope. It's really amazing how clear is this telescope. So I'm going to show you how it looks. In this way I can use my old eyepieces. I'm really excited. The eyepiece holder easily fits into the telescope. I will find the target and I'll show you how it looks. That's the 40mm eyepiece, Japanese style, small, older style. The window is closed now. I have to go and open it. Okay, I'm now going to remove the 40mm eyepiece and put my lovely orthoscopy 6mm eyepiece. Usually with the orthoscope, with the high power, low focal length eyepieces, you will not see much. They're the most difficult. This is orthoscopic, and I'm just trying to see what difference it makes to my observation. Okay, I'm now going to remove the 40mm eyepiece and put my lovely orthoscopy 6mm eyepiece. Usually with the orthoscope, with the high power, low focal length eyepieces, you will not see much. They're the most difficult. This is orthoscopic, and I'm just trying to see what difference it makes to my observation. This is through the 6mm orthoscopic. Field of view is very tight, but image is clear. I've used the Kellner 18mm, and surprise, surprise, this is parafocal. It means I don't need to change the focus. Let's see what we can see through this one. Oh, beautiful. I think I found a way to revive my old eyepieces. My Hungarian 2.5mm, very low focal length. Let's see what we can see through this one. Quite amazing, actually. Definitely I will use this eyepiece on Saturn and Jupiter. It shows really much good details. So these are the 4 eyepieces that I think I will use in this set. Hungarian is good, but not as clear as any of this. And that Chinese adapter, 1 inch to 1/4 inch, really saved all these eyepieces from becoming obsolete. So really good quality, impressive. If I want to categorize the clarity, first comes this 40mm, then 80mm, then 6mm orthoscopic, and that's the order that they come. But of course orthoscopics on its own, the low power, is really amazing. So this is the good review of this eyepiece adapter. Hopefully for you it will be useful, and you will draw some of your old eyepieces from the box or drawer or wherever you dumped them and give them a new lease of life.